Children, now this another program which we have taken as an example to show you and explain you runtime errors. Okay. Now, what is a runtime error? I have explained you in theory. Now, there are many examples of runtime errors like name error, type error, value error, zero index error, and many more. Here, I have tried to explain few of the runtime errors in this program. This program, when I run it, again, you see, this will talk about the runtime errors. Okay. Now, when I run it, I give the first value, second value, I come up with one error. What is that error? Name error. See, name error. Z is not defined. Okay. Now, X is taken, Y is taken. Y, when result 1 is being calculated, I have used another variable which is Z. Okay. It is also known as a reference. Variable or reference, anything you can say, but technically it is reference. Now this Z, it is not defined at all. So that is why it is a name error. That means this name is not recognized. Okay, X is recognized because X I have got a value in X, Y I have got a value in Y, but Z is not recognized. So that is why name error. Now how to suppose I remove this Z. Fine. That is one runtime error I have corrected. Now let me go to the program again. Now if I see that, okay, I think I haven't saved it. Let me save this. Again I run it. Okay. So I say 8, I say 6. See, another error. Again trace back, I got a type error. This is again another runtime error. Now what does it say? Can only concatenate string with string, not integer. That means ये जो दिया है ना ये plus करके, that means the interpreter is expecting this as a string because this is already a string. Now plus can be used with two strings. This is an integer. So this is the error here. So how do I correct it? I don't want to give plus. I give a comma here. As soon as I give a comma, this error becomes fine. I think here also I have done the same. So I give a comma here. So my two runtime errors, which was type error, has been corrected. Now I run it. Again, I give 6, 8, I get the value, right? Now, if you look at it, so I got this value, even now my program is running fine. One runtime error I will talk about when it is division, okay? When it is division. Suppose I divide something by 0. By 0 if you divide, it has no meaning to it. So Python interpreter will give you a runtime error which is zero division error. So when it will, because if I I input a value for X, why if I input 0, then I will encounter with us runtime error which is zero division error. I just check it out, 8, and then now I say 0 here. See, it says zero division error. That means this is one more runtime error. Okay, children. So, and this takes place only when the value of y is 0. That is, the denominator is 0. Fine. So, as per the theory, I have taken these examples, 4 examples: name error, type error, value error, and zero division error. And I have, showed you all the 4 errors in this program and corrected also. So, thank you, children.